Wonder where he is now, my old pal. Well, me and him, we used to go fishing down the old canal. I woke this morning thinking about him. I don't know why, and I don't know. I wonder what he's doing off, I should like to know. He used to catch a lot of gudgeon, I used to catch a lot of bleak. Well, every now and then he'd hook a big one, well, nearly every ruddy week. I asked him how he done it, he told me what to do. He said, fish about a yard deeper and you'll hook a big un too. And as the day was growing older and we could barely see, we'd turn our torches from our bikes and shine them on our floats for greater visibility. Pretty soon we'd be cycling down the lane into the night, and what I thought were birds flying all around, he said were bats, and of course he was right. I wonder where he is now, my old pal. Me and him, we used to go fishing down the old canal. I woke this morning thinking about him, don't know why, and I don't know. I wonder what he's doing off, I should like to know. I wonder